305, I got us on my way to making checks with double commas. Piling enough to blow a couple bags with all y'all. And crush you ever wishing I come back when I'm done. Step before I get harm done. Hit that lift for my soul.
Hey guys, my name is Kiing and this is my very first video. So I really felt the need to come up with this first video to give you guys ideas on how you could be making money during this quarantine, lockdown, thing that's going on, the pandemic. I'm bringing you 7 ways that you could be making money. I don't know if you know, but if you did know, comment down below. And if I missed something that I didn't know, please leave a comment down below to share with everybody else, Okay, so the 7th one is a bonus, and I'm laughing because my mom is outside and she's laughing at me. But it's okay. The 7th one is a bonus one. It's one of the most, it's my favorite one, because this one you can be making money without spending nothing, with no money, with no products, nothing. So watch till the end to find out that bonus way that you can be making money. So the very first one, okay, sorry, before I get into this video, what I'm about is empowering people physically, financially if possible, and mentally. I'm a cheapskate. I'm not gonna lie. So what I'll be bringing you guys is life hacks on how to use your money to its full potential, basically. Saving money. I'm about saving money. I'm a dollar store type of girl, so everything is anywhere. It's dollar store. If you would like more videos, even on my hair, I'm not a professional. I'll be showing you guys how to do certain things, or we will be learning together. So that'll be very cool. Okay, the very first, I'm sorry for holding you guys up. I'm sorry. So the very first thing that you could be doing to earn money while you're sitting down on your phone, you could be a affiliate. You could be joining stuff like Avon, New Skin, and Justine. I don't know, just Google affiliate in my country or city. You can find that. What they basically do is they advertise products for the business, and then once you get people in to buy the products, you get a chunk of the earnings from that product. Cool. The second one that you could be doing is called a stockfell. So I don't know which part of the country you're in, but it doesn't really matter. This is a South African word, South African thing that South Africans usually do. So a stockfell, I'm gonna give you 2 types. A stockfell is basically where you get together with a group of people and you're like, hey, I don't got that much money, but I want money. So you guys, let's say for example, 4 people, you meet together and each one contributes 50 rands or whatever currency you guys are on. And you pay that person, let's say for that month, and then the next month you pay the other person. Everyone pays that person and so forth, and it rotates like that. It's a very lucrative way to earn money. So my advice to you is to draft a contract. First, draft a contract. If you don't know how to draft a contract, or if you want a PDF or a draft of some sort, I happen to be a law student. I'm not done yet with my qualification, but I know how to do that. Just DM me or email me and I'll draft one for you. I'll give you a template. Second thing is you just have to get a copy of their ID and have their phone number and email. Why? Because what happens is some people, not everyone is trustworthy. So what you want to do is, if they want to be part of this money-making savings scheme of yours, you're going to need some proof. You're going to need some receipts when you go to the law enforcement of some sort, to if they didn't hold up their end. Okay, that's the first one. I would go for the first one. The second one is what most people have been doing. This one, you don't need any money. What you're going to need is, you're going to need to have a phone, obviously. Everyone has a phone. If you're watching this, you probably have a phone. If you don't have a phone, ask someone. Ask your mom, your aunt, your granddad, you know, all that sort of thing. Have a phone, create a group, a social group, Facebook group, WhatsApp group, and create a profile picture. So what you're going to need, I'm going to list you things. For example, right, if you're creating this, you're going to say how much money you want to make, right? You're the first person, how much you want to get right now. Let's say, for example, you want to get 200 Rand. Well, don't think about the currency. Think about where you are in the currency you guys are working with, right? So, for example, you're going to say on your profile picture, you're going to say, join the group with 50 Rand and get paid 200 Rand, right? So how this would work is you're going to divide that 200 Rand and say, okay, if someone joins with 50 Rand, how many people is it going to take for me to have 200 Rand? It's going to take 4 people. So you're going to say, okay, I'm going to have to recruit 4 people in order to get me 200 Rand, sorry. That individual, the first individual that joins, is going to pay you a 50 Rand. They're going to recruit more people so that they can ultimately end up with 200 Rand as well, because this is a money-making thing. However, the downside to this is that once you guys stop recruiting, the last person who went in, or the people who didn't get paid but paid to get in, end up not having money, and you just feel cheated out of your 50 Rand or your potential 200 Rand. So this one is not one that I would advise you to do, but it is one of the ways that people really make a lot of money with. So nobody wants to go out. Some people have anxiety, like for example, I sometimes get anxious when I have to go out, for a grocery run or something. So one of the things you could be doing is, if you have access to a car, this is a really cool one. If you have access to a car and you have a driver's license, what you can do is deliver groceries to people. So you can make yourself known, write little, I don't know if you want to print it out, write it out for people to reach you so that they go and order food from you. Let's say, for example, they want to buy a whole load of groceries. They can give you a list. They're going to give you money for the food, for the delivery, and whatever. You're in control, right? So that is one of the cool ways to make money right now. You can be delivering, maybe if you want people to transfer the money directly to your to your card, bank card. Yeah, and then the next one, find a need in your community. Just find a need. Find a need that needs to be filled. For example, right now, the obvious thing that people need is a mask. Here's a mask. I was looking for the one that I made. I bought this one. So find a need such as making masks, or if people are going to work, the people that usually used to make lunch for them or breakfast and whatnot that they would buy are no longer there, for example. If you're good at cooking, if you're not, I have videos on that because I can cook too. Also, I think, I'm not sure. I think I can, but we'll learn along the way. As the masks as well, if you're thinking of making masks, just comment if you would like to see a detailed beginner's guide on how to make a mask. The second last one, you could open a OnlyFans account. I don't know if you guys know this. And OnlyFans, it's usually for adult entertainment. However, there are for sports as well. They're for other categories, basically. Just open it up. And the thing about it is people get to pay to see your content. So if it's about pictures or videos about your sexy body, or your fitness routines, or if you're a nutritionist or something like that, people are going to pay to subscribe. And let's say, for example, one video, you share really good information, they can tip you extra money. So they subscribe and they pay you a monthly subscription. I think that's very lucrative. Yeah, if you're good at your craft. If not, there's always room for improvement. Keep doing it till you get the results. Rev.com. So Rev.com is a site where you go and you transcribe texts from videos and whatnot, and you get paid for it. You just have to listen to the text and then type it as it is. I'll leave the site on my description, and I'll also link one of the YouTubers I got this from, the Rev.com. I think she's very cool. Go to her channel and tell her that King May sent you. And yeah, so the last one I think that you guys have been waiting for, the very, very last one is, where is it? Okay, I didn't forget. I'm kidding. The very last one where you can make money without any products. I've used this in the past. I am a university student, so sometimes I have money, sometimes I don't, It's kind of like that lifestyle. What you can do, right? No products. You have to figure out, first of all, what do you want to be selling? For me, my poison was makeup. Second thing is, you should have tried that thing you want to sell. You could sell something you haven't tried, but it's going to be a bit risky because sometimes people want to sample whatever that is or some sort of thing. So shop. Thirdly, know you can get that in bulk, right? It would be helpful if you know a wholesaler near you or something, or if you know a shop that people are not there yet. They're not realizing that it's got the things that that makes the things to be done. You know what I'm saying? So if they don't know, you can plug them, but then you can plug them by you buying those things and selling it to them in bulk. So how you would go about it is go to that shop or wholesaler, right? You have no money, you have no products, but you want to make money. You want to be your own boss, right? So you go there with your phone. Make sure you communicate with the owner or the person in charge, whatever. You take pictures of the things you like, but before, talk to the owner and ask how much of this stuff they have in storage, right? Just to be safe. And then the next thing is take pictures of every prospective item you want to sell. Take a picture of it, make little cute covers or whatever, and you can figure out how much you want it to cost, your whatever. So let's say, for example, you bought something for, let's say 50 rand. You can go and sell that for 70 rand, right? That's 20 rand profit. It also depends on the effort it took for you to go and get it. Let's say, for example, you had to go take a taxi or you drove. So you can put those things in, and yeah. So you don't have money. You don't have the product itself. You label the pictures. You've already spoken to the owner. You've agreed that I'm potentially coming to go and buy these things. Just to keep communication so that if someone wants it, you go there and it's like, where is it? It's not there, but it's going to be there because you already spoke to the owner. Shop. Label it, advertise it like your life depends on it. I don't know if you need tips on advertising. I don't know if I'm the girl, but I'm sure I can give you some information because I'm a real life hustler. I love hustling. I love making things happen because that's just the person I am. So if any of these tips, I think I'm done. Yeah. But I believe there's a whole lot more other things that you could be doing. But if I missed anything, or if you know a cooler and better way to earn money during quarantine, please leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video and you want more life hacks, and you want real schnitzel. I don't know if I can say that. Real schnitzel on life and how you can improve yourself mentally, financially, in the kitchen. We're gonna talk about life. We're gonna do story times. I'm here and I'm very excited. Just please, what is that thing that people always say you should do? I've watched a trillion videos. Oh yeah, like, thumbs up, just click the thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you always know when King May has uploaded their video, her video. Why am I taking myself in the third person? I don't know, but anyway, I'm very happy. And remember, you guys are kings and queens, and if you didn't know it, you're a king and you're a queen. You should know that. It's a given. You should know that. Thank you so much, guys. What's up, kings and queens? Start over. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yes, this is my first time. Don't do that. Hey guys, my name is why am I scared? Hey guys, my name is King May, and welcome to my channel. This is the first time. Well, this is my first. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is King May. I'm not as, I don't know what to say actually.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah.